Hi friends, we are YANTAI YITE Hydraulic Equipment Sales Corporation Limited. From today, I will introduce so many friends as following.
This product is hydraulic wood grapple.
And the second product is steel grab. It is a Japanese style. It includes orange peel steel grab and mechanical steel grab. And the third product is car dismantling equipment. It includes the car dismantling shear and excavator climb up. That is two parts, includes the equipment.
So from next time, we will introduce another following products to you. Thank you.